Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yeah, today I'm gonna get my day started, make some breakfast, get some coffee going. And yeah, I got a few comments that I want to address and just kind of answer your questions. And also, I'm excited for what's happening this week to the G82. So stay tuned, stick around, and we'll get to the video. All right, guys, so I got my breakfast, got my coffee going. I'm just gonna respond to malfunction in the wardrobe area. Yeah, I'm rocking my Casio watch right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I love rocking watches. Watches is a big deal for me. Anyways, yeah, let's get to the comments. I want to just answer some comments that I've been getting lately. I thought it would be really creative for me just to kind of answer them live as we are on video. That way you get a kick out of it, and hey, I get to answer your questions. So let's see. This was on my how to get a full screen on your BMW iDrive video. The comment is from I194289. It says, I drive BMW F40. Not really sure what that means. Are you asking me if it's applicable for the F40? I'm not sure. Let me see. What is the F40? I'm not a BMW expert here. But the BMW F40 is the 1 series. Yeah, look, if you have an iDrive, I think this method could work. The only thing you can do is just test it. Get yourself a an OBD adapter from Kies Motorsports. I'll link it below, and you can just test it out and see if it works. And if it does, let me know. It says here, gotta have that coffee by Rosemary TV76. Yeah, it's coffee's a must, as you can tell right here. I gotta love it, man. It's yeah, coffee's the way to go. Okay, this here says from Dav 2833. Hey, I was wondering, do you need those new air ducts and the other part in order to put in the M Sport from bumper? No, so this was regarding my front bumper installation for my 320i. No, the 320i didn't have those air ducts, but with the M conversion, it comes with those air ducts, so you're fine. In Kies Motorsports, we'll send you everything that you need for that bumper. I did get that bumper from Kies Motorsports, so yeah, when you reach out to them, they will get your VIN number, and then essentially they would help you with the proper products that you need for your car. This next one says, I have heads-up display, so I guess no need to turn that on. Yeah, pretty much, bro. From Expert447. This is why you're an expert. It says here from Josh Keasting 4915, bro, saw you at the In-N-Out today. Had to find this exhaust so great. I think if you're that guy to help me out, hey bro, it's great to meet you. Glad that you're able to see my car in person. So yeah, man, thanks for taking my order at In-N-Out and helping me out. The meal was great. This next one is from Scooter Gammon. Did your have a multiple cylinder misfire? This is regarding the how to fix a rough idle on the BMW F30. You know, back in the time that I went through this whole process with fixing my rough idle, there wasn't any misfires quite severe just yet. If I'm remembering, in fact, I should probably watch this video again because I want to know exactly what I'm talking about here.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back.
Oh my God, my hair.
In another video. You see his fox behind me? Yeah, that's not what this video is about.
This is crazy because my hair is crazy long, and this is, I guess, during COVID time. Yeah, not fun times. Okay, so watching this video, yeah, I had a rough idle when starting out the car. It was cold, and it was just like doing these bouncy things, right? That's a problem because again, it could just lead to more things in the future. So I made sure to take care of it, follow the video, and I'll give you exactly what to do to ensure that you're not gonna make things worse, right? So this next video is from Cameron Morris 5051. It's on my how to get pops and cracks in your muffler delete BMW F30. And then you commented, how much is a stage 1 tune roughly? Well, it's a great question, man. So let's do a quick search on Kies Motorsports and find out exactly how much it is. Because back in the day when I got it, I think it was like in over $500, over $600, I believe. Here we go. Boot mode. That's what you want to do. Yes, it's okay. So it's over for $100. So here we go. Go to kiesmotorsports.com. Click the link in the bio, and click the link in the description, not the bio. Click the link in the description. Why is my HDMI just being funky? Sorry guys, rough morning. It's Monday. Hey, no one really likes to get started on a Monday. Yeah, so visit kiesmotorsports.com. Type in BM3 Tune and you'll see boot mode. Look for the N21 if you have the F30, 328, the 320 and 328i. Those are the two cars. In fact, it gives you a full list of cars that this is made for. Basically, it's, you know, for those motors, N20 and N26 motors. The Tune it's amazing. It's made by pro tuning freaks. And honestly, I can't recommend something else that's better. I honestly believe that these tunes have been perfected through time. I did this video on how to tune your car. Gosh, I think it was back in the day. Let me see, when was this video published? This video was, geez, man, it was 2020. So it's been 4 or 5 years. And honestly, I think that the best thing you can do now, because obviously Pro Tuning Freaks is a legitimate company. They have really upped their game as far as developing these tunes for your car. And I trust them a lot more now because honestly, they've developed a proper system where they worked out the kinks and all that stuff. So if you want more power to your car, get that boot mode tune. Again, from Kies Motorsports. To answer your question, it's $595 without tax and everything else. You do need an OBD adapter. I recommend that you get that Kies adapter, the wireless Ethernet adapter, the eNet adapter. It's amazing. No cables needed. You just plug it in and you call it a day, and that's all you need. And you can just tune on the go with the app. So it's kind of cool, guys. Again, if you have more questions about that, let me know. But boot mode is an awesome tune. I have not done it on my M4 because I already got over 450 horsepower, close to 500 horsepower. I don't need more. I'm not horsepower crazy. I am tracking my car, so I'm comfortable with the power and I'm learning the power. I have what I need right now, and maybe at some point when I get really comfortable with the car, I will tune the car. But right now, I got plenty of horsepower and I don't need it. So contact Kies Motorsports. That was a long answer, but I hope that answered your question. Last question from BMW Guy 2011. This is on my video. It says, is the BMW 320 and 328 and 20 motor reliable? It says, my only complaint with my 2016 328i and N20 motor, after driving an N52 over 363,600 miles, it's kind of just lifeless and boring. But technically, it does propel the car forward, and knock on wood, not one idiot light yet with the N20. The car is actually superior than the E91 in every regard, except for the loss of 2 cylinders. Loss of 2 cylinders. Are you not operating fully on those 2 cylinders? I'm not entirely sure. But hey, I'm glad that your car is functioning. You know, it's a lot of miles. 363,000 miles. That's a lot of miles, man. That says a lot about these BMW motors, right? But hey, BMW guy, thanks for the comment. I guess it wasn't a troll comment, but hey, that's all we got for today on the comment side. Well, you know what? Let's do one more. It says here from JP-DJ9YH. As a new G80 owner, the braking is more for the driver than the car. These cars can get out from under you fast with traction control. You know what, dude? Yeah. I will say, dude, that's facts right there, man. It was nuts because when I first got this car, I actually took it out in the rain. And I'm like, yo, YOLO, let's program N2 mode with completely everything off. You know, no traction control or anything. And man, I barely touched the pedal, and it's just like, wow, it slid. And I'm like, nope, not doing this ever again. Not until I learned the car. So yeah, the braking period is for new. I agree. It is for new drivers to get into the car and learn the car properly. In fact, I'm gonna do one more because I see who it is and I know this guy. Des Driven. Hey bro, honestly man, if you're watching this video, appreciate you, man. I saw you in the track and it's fun. Des Driven, check him out. He does a lot of track videos. In fact, it's inspirational for me to go out there because this guy goes at least 2-3 times a month. Maybe I'm wrong, but you do go quite a bit. And man, I want to get to that level because man, to track a car every weekend must be a lot of fun. But anyways, guys, that's it for the comments section. I'm gonna take you to the car and show you what's happening and what we're doing to it today. Yeah, thanks for watching. And again, do you like these sort of videos where I answer your comments live? It could be cool. I don't know. Let me know. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, man.
And joining me on this video is the one and only dAHLer Westy. What's up, man?
All right, guys, I'm here with the G82. I got my pup right there, just observing me. But I'm excited because I get to work on my car again. One of the things I love about the track is that I get to just work on my car periodically. One of the things I have to do is just swap out the pads. Right now, I am running Carbotech XP90s. I think that's what it is. Let me find out, get the right name. Carbotech XP20s. And man, they bite hard, they're loud as heck. And you know, this is my daily, so I can't be showing up to like my client's you know, front office and I'm pulling into the driveway and I sound like a semi-truck with horrible brakes. Yeah, I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna swap them out today. I'm gonna do a video on it because honestly, it's so easy to change pads on M cars. Believe it or not, you don't have to pay $900 at the dealer to get pads changed. Guys, I'll show you the next video. Stay tuned. If you have an M car, super easy. And honestly, if you learn how to do it, it'll just save you a lot of money, but also get you more comfortable working on your car. Anyways, stay tuned for that video. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon this week with more content. I'm uploading a lot more content, so please stay tuned. If you have any questions, drop in the comments. I'm going to answer it live on video. So guys, thank you so much once again, and I'll see you soon.